Welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today's topic is regarding the SUMPRODUCT function in Google Sheets. To explain you the use of SUMPRODUCT function, here I have created two examples. This first example has the product name, their MRP and the month-wise quantity sold. The requirement here is to calculate the sales value for each month. In this next example, I have products, their quantity sold and MRP details. The requirement here is to count the number of products that meets below conditions. Here we have two conditions. We have to count how many products are there that meets both of these conditions. That is, the MRP is greater than 100 and quantity sold is greater than 50 unit. First of all, let's see the description of SUMPRODUCT function. Let me press equal to here, then type SUMPRODUCT. Here you see the SUMPRODUCT function calculates the sum of products of element in two arrays. So the basic use of SUMPRODUCT function is to multiply each element in two arrays, then add the result of each multiplication. Here in this example, to calculate the sales value, we have to multiply each quantity with its corresponding price. Then finally add the result of all multiplication. So the SUMPRODUCT function can be used here to calculate the sales value. And we can also use SUMPRODUCT for other kind of calculations. Like here we have to count the number of product meeting two conditions. First of all, let's use this SUMPRODUCT function here to calculate the sales value. Press is equal to type SUMPRODUCT. Then open parenthesis. Here in the array 1 parameter, select this retail price range. Then you have to lock this range, because when we copy this formula for other columns, this price range should remain constant. And to lock it, press the F4 key in the keyboard. Now put a comma. In the array 2 parameter, select this quantity range of the January month. Close parenthesis, then hit enter. Here you see the sales value is calculated. Here it is suggesting for autofill. Simply click on this cross button and click on this fill handle, then drag it for other months. And here you see the sales value for each month is calculated. Let's go to second example where we need to count how many products are there that meets both of these two conditions. In this case, let me click on this cell. Then go to the formula bar, press equal to type SUMPRODUCT, open parenthesis. In the array 1, open another parenthesis, then select this MRP value range, which should be greater than 100. So here type greater than symbol, then 100. Then close parenthesis, put the multiplication symbol, then open a parenthesis. Then select this quantity sold range, which should be greater than 50. That is the second condition. Close parenthesis. Close one more parenthesis for the SUMPRODUCT function. Then press enter. And here you see the result is given as 3, because there are 3 products that meets both of these two conditions. So this is how we can use the SUMPRODUCT function in Google Sheets. If you want to practice this function, you can get this sample data sheet from the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next tutorial.